Often I see the problem that people design their thumbnails for their videos on a big screen. And then when it's shown on the device, on the browser, it's way smaller and not everything is recognizable anymore. The good thing is I found a web page which is free where you can easily test how big your thumbnail will be, on which place on YouTube and also on device and browser. Let's take a look. I'm here on the thumbsup.tv page. The exact link you find in the description below. Here I can just easily drop my image or click it and select the file. Let's drag an image there, and also that it makes sense, directly enter here the title I used when I released this video. And here I see now in the web browser on the home page in large how big it is, where the timestamp is located, how the title looks, in the sidebar, on the channel page, on the history, on the watch later page, where, for example, you have this big play all button, which is covering maybe 15% of the screen. And also on mobile, on the full width or on the column view, when you, for example, search for it. And on Apple TV. And also on top, you can toggle the dark mode, that you see how is it compared to a dark background. Are there white areas which then overlap, or gray areas which are lost because there is no hard edge anymore to the background. So you see, it's very fast and easy to check, and it costs nothing. So it's definitely worth doing it for your thumbnail or just having a general look at your thumbnails. Maybe you missed something. Maybe you see some smaller. This doesn't look so perfect anymore. Let's give it a tweak. So it's a very good and fast way to check it. And if this video helped you, would be nice if you could give it a thumb up and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any new video.